Today on AI Debates, we're going to talk about the business of AI music. Now, let's talk about this money. Because behind every catchy song and every viral TikTok track, every stream on Spotify, there's a business model. And right now, AI isn't just changing how we make music, it's changing how money flows in the industry. That's why it's a very touchy subject. So, the real reason is who is going to get paid in the AI music game in this age of AI music, and who is going to get left behind. Think about the old model, labels, the good, the bad, and the ugly of them, right? Publishers, distributors, radio. It was a pipeline. Artists made music, labels marketed it, listeners bought it. Then streaming platforms like Spotify flipped the model. Now music is infinite, it's accessible, subscription based. And just when we thought the dust had settled, AI arrives and throws gasoline onto a already raging bonfire. Because when AI can generate thousands of songs at almost zero cost, what happens to a business built on scarcity? Now you know why these record labels are getting jittery now. You see, let's talk about the flood of content. Spotify already gets over 100,000 tracks uploaded every single day. Now you add AI into the mix, and that number could multiply tenfold. Suddenly, we're not talking about millions of songs, we're talking about billions of songs. And this creates both opportunity and chaos. For platforms, it means endless content to keep subscribers happy. But for human musicians, it means fighting harder to get heard above the noise. Do you suddenly imagine that some of these platforms may begin to charge to upload to them? Don't let me give them any ideas. You see, the role of labels and gatekeepers has always been there back in the day. But in the streaming era, algorithms became the new gatekeepers. With AI, that gatekeeping could very well shift again. Imagine Apple Music or Spotify deciding, we'll only promote music verified as human. Or maybe the opposite. We'll push AI music because it's cheap and profitable. Uh-oh. Did the game just change? You see, the decision isn't about art for many of these organizations, and I'm not mentioning any names, but it's generally about business. Whoever controls the gates controls the money. Now, there are bound to be new revenue models. AI opens up new ways of making money, personalized soundtracks for workouts, meditation, gaming. Nobody's buying all that music that we have to pay for. People are just creating their own, all powered by AI. Micro licensing for YouTube creators who need background tracks on demand, even subscription services where fans generate their own custom songs. You see, in this model, the winners may not be the traditional artists at all. The winners may be the companies building those AI platforms, the ones selling the tools instead of the songs. Now, let's talk about the value of authenticity in all of this, because the world could very rapidly be flooded with so much artistry, human and AI. And eventually, both could be bound to become less valuable. Right? In the world of music, if music is truly good, people appreciate it. But if it's not, they just leave it alone. Could that be the end of AI music that is subpar? Think about it. If anyone can create a song in seconds, what do people crave? They crave authenticity, right? Which is why a lot of tracks that are created by non musicians may eventually not be as popular as those created by well known musicians with the help of artificial intelligence. What do you think about that? Drop me a comment below. So don't be surprised, my friends, if in the AI era, live concerts, human only labels, and authentic storytelling become premium products. It's very possible. Now, let's be real. There's a risk. if AI tracks start dominating playlists because they're cheaper to license, human musicians could get pushed further to the margins. The music economy could become a race to the bottom where quantity beats quality. But let's think again. Who gets majority of those proceeds? You stream 1 million streams of your music, you'll be fortunate to make $4,000, somewhere around that. So in this world of artificial intelligence, the question is, who will win? The musicians who stay creating only human music, or those who titrate a little bit of each? And this isn't just a business conversation, my friends, it's a cultural one. How do we build an economy that rewards both innovation and humanity? Do you believe that humanity should and could be rewarded, or is it possible that maybe we can't necessarily reward humanity in all fairness? Because where would the split occur, and what would the guidelines be for that? I want you to comment below what you think. So the bottom line, my friend, is not just AI rewriting the sound of music, it's rewriting the business of music as well. Whether you're an artist, or you're a label, or you're a platform, or a fan, you're part of this new economy. The question is, are we going to let AI turn music into an endless flood of background noise? Or are we going to design a system where authenticity, creativity, and fair pay still matter? You see, the business of AI music isn't just about the dollars, it's about the values, it's about the ethics, and the choices we make now are going to decide whether the future is profitable for everyone or just for the machines or the makers of the machines. Drop me a comment below. I'll see you next time.